The input function in Python is essential for capturing user data, allowing programs to become interactive. By using input, developers can prompt users for information, process it, and tailor program responses accordingly. This function is a cornerstone for building applications that respond dynamically to user needs, enhancing the overall user experience. User input bridges the gap between programmers and end users. Understanding how Python captures and processes user data opens doors to building sophisticated, responsive applications that adapt to individual needs. User input is crucial for creating interactive programs, turning static scripts into dynamic applications that engage users. It allows for personalization by capturing user preferences, tailoring outputs to individual needs. From calculators to login forms, input is foundational in software development, enabling practical applications across various domains. The input function pauses execution, displaying a prompt and awaiting user input, which is captured as a string. For numerical operations, type conversion is necessary. Using input, you can guide users effectively with prompts like "Enter your name," ensuring clarity and enhancing user experience. The program prompts with "Enter your name," awaiting user input. When Alice is entered, Python stores it as a string in the name variable. The program then outputs "Hello, Alice." This interaction pattern is fundamental for user-driven program flow, supporting applications from data collection to interactive storytelling. The program begins with a welcome message. It captures user input for name and age using input calls. A personalized greeting is displayed using string interpolation. The age is converted to an integer for calculations, demonstrating the necessity of type conversion for numerical operations. This allows the program to calculate and display the user's age next year,